We'll guide you through how to fix a laggy or stuttering Discord stream. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guys to Pauser, who's going to continue.
First, completely close Discord. Just go ahead and close Discord completely and go to the system tray at the bottom, and then just go ahead and click on it. And here you will see Discord. Just go ahead and right click on Discord and choose to quit Discord. And once that Discord is completely closed, just go ahead and click on the start menu, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Discord. And now choose to run Discord as an administrator and click on yes if prompted. And after that, just go ahead and test your stream once again. If you are still experiencing lag, you can just go ahead and go to your start menu and then just go ahead and search for graphics settings, and then just go ahead and open graphics settings, and here you will see an option for optimization for windowed game. So basically, if it was already enabled, just go ahead and toggle it off just like so, and then just go ahead and restart your system. Some system perform better with this option disabled, so it's worth testing both. After that, just go to user settings, and then here scroll down until you find system. Just go ahead and click on system. Now you will see enable hardware acceleration. So basically, just go ahead and toggle off enable hardware acceleration, and then after disabling, just go ahead and test your stream once again. And another thing that you need to do is just go to your task bar and then right click on it and choose task manager, and you can also press Ctrl Shift and escape key on your keyboard to open this, and then close program that you are not using, such as web browser. So to close any program, you can just go ahead and right click on it and choose to end task just like so, and then it will be successfully closed. Also make sure you don't have your own Discord stream open in another window on a second monitor or in pop out mode, as this can reduce streaming performance. If you have Discord Nitro, just go ahead and go to your voice channel and then go to share your screen and choose your screen and then click on share screen. After that, you can just go ahead and click on stream settings icon and choose stream quality, and then here you can set your streaming quality to 30 fps and 720p and see if that fixes your issue. If you are still having issues, just go ahead and restart your modem or router and then leave it powered off for at least 60 seconds before turning it back on to ensure it fully resets. And now for the final fix, we will be moving on to command prompt. So I'm just gonna close Discord for now, and then just go to your Windows search bar and type cmd and choose to open command prompt as an administrator. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, in the command prompt, just go ahead and start by typing the following command. Just go ahead and type ipconfig space /flush dns and hit enter. And now for the second command, it is going to be ipconfig space /register dns. After that, just hit enter, and then just type ipconfig space /release. And after that, just hit enter, and then just type ipconfig /renew. And after that, just hit enter, and then just type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. These commands refresh your computer's network settings and can fix a wide range of internet and connection problem. They clear outdated DNS information, review your network connection, refresh your IP address, and reset the Windows networking component. Running them can often resolve issues like slow connection, website not loading properly, or apps that are having trouble connecting to the internet. And after running all of the command, restart your computer and test your Discord stream once again. And that's it. That's how you fix a lag or stuttering Discord stream.